How to fix Shopee S13 error. So in Shopee, you might be getting S13 error. That's basically your payments error. So if you're getting that issue, make sure you fix your payment method. And another option, what I suggest is switching towards your internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to the mobile network. If you're in mobile network, try switching to the Wi-Fi. If that doesn't fix, you might want to go to your app store or Play Store, anything which you have. So in your Play Store or App Store, make sure you have the most latest version of Shopee downloaded. So search for Shopee and make sure you download the latest version and then update the app if it has any of the updates. So if that doesn't still fix, I would recommend try switching off your device, try restarting your device, and that might fix. Also, you can go ahead and then simply remove the app, and then once you remove the app, it might fix it once you remove, and then go ahead reinstalling the app, and it might fix your issue. So that's for the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.